What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check this out, guys. We just taped up, well, my buddy, let me back up. My buddy told me about the trick, and guys, let me tell you what, if you got these tires, if you got the J Concept Magmas or the choppers, you definitely want to. So they're not ballooning as bad either, guys. It's pretty awesome. Skate park, you guys, but we're not gonna really send it, you know? Why would we do that? And break stuff. Ooh, those are stairs. Ooh, that'll break stuff. Uh-oh, guys. What happened? We broke it. Okay, real quick, guys. I broke the truck, and well, I want to show you guys something, a little trick that you guys can do yourself, because it's really good. Because, well, to run these heavy tires, you have to have a good steering setup, and I'm going to show you what it is. Check this out, guys. So this is the Pnwrcmadness ESC caddy. This is just one of the parts that your ESC either bolts to or double back tapes to. It does not come drilled for the Hobbywing. It comes drilled for the XLX2. Super simple to drill. Anyways, guys, and before you take the front of the truck apart, check that out, guys. You can just take this apart. Comes off super simple, and then easy access to get in the front of the truck apart. And you know how I was saying the tires, well, guys, these are the best tires. They do balloon, but they don't explode. So a friend of mine showed me an awesome trick, which is super old school trick, is just to use some Gorilla Tape. I used the 3-inch wide stuff. Anyways, yeah, enough about the tires. So there it is, guys. There's my steering link. There is the weak link right there. So I have these are just Traxxas links, and that is the Traxxas link. But they don't sell this. You got to make it on your own. So I found this to be the best, strongest setup. And then I also use this GPM steering rack, which I do carry in my store. And I have them all colors in stock, including purple and pink. There it is. I found them. So I got a bunch of these in my part bin. And usually, guys, this is the only piece that breaks. And then just a quick tip. Where is it at? Grab yourself a set of calipers and measure your distance in between right here. And then you don't have to take the whole front of the truck apart or off to change this. You can just get in there and replace it. And yeah, check that out, guys. Weak link. We're going to be headed back out. You guys, the Traxxas XRT belt drive is just amazing. I'll show you when I take the body off the new motor support we got for it. So far we've only got it for this ratio, but it's coming, guys. It's coming. You guys, taping the tires helps so much.